Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a cola glazed ham. It's just a few ingredients and it's going to be full of flavor, and I want to show you. I've taken an 8-pound spiraled ham and I've taken it out of its bag, and I've put it into one of these bacon bags. You can get them at the store. It's Reynolds oven bags. And we're going to use a cup of brown sugar and mustard, and the main event is a Dr. Pepper. Now you can use a Coca-Cola if you wanted to, but I like Dr. Pepper and I like the taste of it, and it gives a rich flavor, and so we're going to try that. The first thing I'm going to do is rub it down with mustard. Now I'm using stone ground Dijon, or you can use French. So let's get at it. I'm doing this for less cleanup. You just squirt it all over the ham. And we're going to rub it. Just rub it all over. Get it good and coated. Now I've washed my hands and everything. This is God's tool He gave you. I'm going to take a cup of brown sugar and sprinkle it all over it. We're going to take I think this is a 20-ounce bottle of Dr. Pepper. And we're going to pour it over the ham. Use about half of it. Then we're going to tie it up, get all the air out of it. Squeeze all the air out of it. Now mine's 8 pounds, so I'm going to cook mine probably for an hour and 45 minutes. It all depends on how big your ham is. I'm going to seal it up. It says to make a few holes to vent the air, the heat. So we're going to make a few holes at the top. Okay. We're going to put this in the oven at 300 for about an hour and a half. And then we're going to bring it out and check it. It's already cooked. You just have to warm it up real good and let that seasoning flavor it. We got the ham out of the oven. It's done. The internal temperature is about 160, and it was in there about an hour and 45 minutes. And doesn't it look good? No mess, because we cooked it in the bag. It's nice and brown. Let's put a little stuff on it. Just pulls right off. Look how tender it is. Let's take a little taste. Rich tasting. That Dr. Pepper really did the trick. Gives it just a sweet taste, but not overpowering. You just throw it in the bag, pour that Dr. Pepper over it and the seasonings, and just stick it in the oven. And when you're trying to fix the other parts of the dinner, this is so easy. So I hope you try it. Down in the comments, let me know your favorite way to cook your ham. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you always for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.